In this video, I'm going to show you how to crack the password by simple coding. For this, you simply need a bootable flash drive or any Windows CD. So let's start the video.
Switch it up.
First, start the computer, then go to Boot Options. Then select the desirable path for Windows installation. Then go to the next option by pressing Alt+N. Then go to Repair the Window option by pressing Alt+R. Go to the Troubleshoot option. Go for Advanced options. Now here click on Command Prompt. By click on it, we are entering Command Center of Flash Drive or CD, so we have to move toward our local drive where Windows is installed. Now we don't know where is our window is available, so we have to check all the drives manually. For this, type cconals and enter. Now to verify that Windows is available in C, type dir to check the directory. As you see, no Windows folder is available there, so check all the drive manually. As you see, Windows is available in E drive. Now type cd space Windows. Then press enter. Now type System32. Here rename the on-screen keyboard as REN space OSK.exe space OSK2.exe.
Now make copy of Command Center and rename it as on-screen keyboard by typing copy space cmd.exe space osk.exe.
As you see, one file is copied successfully. Now type exit and restart the computer. As you see, the laptop is protected with password, but don't worry. Now go to the right bottom corner and click on middle icon, Ease to access. Now if you click on on-screen keyboard, you see Command Center will open. Now call for a local user manager by typing lusrmgr. From here, go to User folder and right-click on the user which have the password on his Windows. Click on Set Password and proceed to Next. Now if you want to change the password, type it. If you want to finish it, click OK. Now close the both tabs and unlock the computer. Now press Enter or click arrow to unlock. And it's done. If you like this video, then like and share it, and also subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.